Ma prima di iniziare, voglio ricordarti che AgriEuro è l'unico e-commerce che permette una fornitura completa di pezzi di ricambio per tutta la vita del tuo prodotto. In caso di necessità, per riparazioni o assistenza, offriamo un supporto completo grazie a una maxi officina interna o attraverso uno dei 400 centri assistenza partner sparsi in Europa.
The GeoTech-Pro GFM 860LE brush cutter is equipped with a tracked traction system, distinguishing it for its ability to operate effectively on difficult terrains, ensuring steady progress even on irregular or steep surfaces. With a cutting width of 86 centimeters and 46 Y-shaped hammers, the GeoTech-Pro GFM 860LE is designed to exceed all expectations. These particularly resilient hammers allow for the easy shredding of tall grass, underbrush, and brambles up to 2.5 centimeters in diameter, making this machine ideal for cleaning agricultural land, orchards, vineyards, and olive groves. The 15-horsepower Loncin engine provides the necessary power to maintain high cutting performance, while ensuring efficient and uniform land processing. The customization features of the GeoTech-Pro GFM 860LE brush cutter meet the needs of the most demanding users, allowing adjustments on both the handle and the working height. This versatility, combined with the self-propelled advancement capability, ensures comfortable and productive use in various environmental conditions.
Visita il sito AgriEuro e scopri le offerte nel nostro store online. Clicca sul link in descrizione per saperne di più.